Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get
The
wrenching.
first representative of the new family of inline sixes M52, which included M52B24, M52B25, M52B28, S52B32, called M52B20, appeared in 1994 and replaced the popular M50B20. Specifications. The cylinder block of the new engine is now lightweight aluminum with Nikasil-coated cylinders, new and pistons with connecting rods. The M52B20's connecting rod length is 145 mm and the piston compression height is 31.64 mm. Also used a new intake, the cylinder head is taken from the M50B20TU. The injectors on the M52B20, 154 cubic centimeters. After a technical update in 1998, the motor received a new cylinder head with dual vanos on both shafts. The camshafts themselves are now 244-228 lift 9. The cylinder block got cast iron liners, changed connecting rods, pistons, cooling system, electronic throttle, intake manifold got DC geometry change system and so on. This motor was used on BMW cars with the Index 20i. In 2000, the low-volume 6 received a successor. It became a motor of a new series BMW M54, with a working volume of 2.2 litres, M54B22. Technical specifications of the M52B20 motor: 150-5900 150-5900 TU. Engine oil quantity: recommended oil for use. Maintenance. Maintenance of the power unit should be carried out every 15,000 kilometers, but as with any engine, it is recommended to reduce the period by a factor of 1.5 to maximize the life of the motor. To prevent other malfunctions, it is recommended that the electronic engine control unit be diagnosed for errors during each maintenance. Modifications. Like almost all BMW motors, the M52B20 has several modifications that were actively used and applied. Let's consider the main ones. M52B20, 1994 to 1999, the basic variation of the engine. Compression ratio is 11, power is 150 horsepower at 5,900 rpm, torque is 190 Nm at 4,200 rpm. M52 TUB20, 1998 to 2001, double vanos on intake and exhaust camshafts, shafts with phase 244-228 lift 9. Replaced the rod, cast iron liners in the block, different intake, compression ratio 11, power 150 horsepower at 5,900 rpm, torque 190 Nm at 3,500 rpm. Overheating. Like the M50 series, the M52 engine is prone to overheating, due to which the cylinder head can fall. If the engine began to warm up, it means you need to clean the radiator, expel air from the cooling system, check the pump, thermostat, and radiator cap. Oil consumption. In M52 engines are very susceptible to wear piston rings. If the cylinder walls are in order, then you can do without replacing the rings. It is enough for now. In case of their wear, give the block to liner, for Nikasil motors. In addition, check the crankcase ventilation valve, CVCG. Ignition misses. The problem lies in the hydrocompensators, as a result of which the performance of the cylinder drops and the ECU disconnects it. Buy and change hydrocompensators, everything will work. The oil light is on. Usually the problem lies either in the oil cup or oil pump, check. M52 vanos. If there is rumbling, power drop and floating revs, sometimes the motor stalls, there is a probability of vanos wear. Repair is simple. You need to buy a repair kit. Vanos M52. In addition, often fail crankshaft position sensors DPKV, does not start M52, and camshaft position sensors, DPRV, unreliable threads. Under the bolts fixing the cylinder head, leaks thermostat, high demanding the quality of gasoline, for non-TU versions, the average life is lower than that of the predecessor M50 and so on. In addition, given the nature of ownership of BMW engines and serious age, you can expect anything and any time. This motor is not the best choice for purchase. Conclusion: the M52B20 engine is a simple and reliable power unit. Maintenance can be carried out with your own hands. Due to the simplicity of the design, it can also be repaired by yourself.